Okay, here's a little bit of footage of Macau from a car. We're going over a bridge right now. I'm just, I usually don't do these ones, but I think I'm going to try to document a little bit with what it looks like from a car window. And let me know if you're interested to see more of these. So we're going to be right back, and I'll film, we're going to film this little bar and all the construction, and we're going over a bridge right now. Chiquinha, chiquinha. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, yep, here we're driving Macau. Usually I do walking Macau, but I'm going to do driving Macau. And we're going to drive down into Barra. And Barra is straight ahead. And basically there's a lot of construction that's going to be happening in this area. So, and if you're interested in these kind of videos, just let me know. Maybe I'll do more of them. And Barra is going to be where the light rail, it's going to be in this area. So there's all this construction, and there's cranes everywhere, as you can see already. So, and it's right on this kind of path of the water. And we're going to be going into all this construction right now. And part of the reason that I kind of want to do this anyways is because I'm documenting what some of Macau looks like, because it's just changing so quickly and so rapidly. So check out all those cranes. So this would be some totally different area in the future, but right now it's it looks like this. And I haven't done any videos like this before, so let me know if you're interested, and maybe I'll do more, because Macau is pretty interesting to film from the street level as well, because there's just so much there's some really tiny streets with a lot of stuff happening, so it might be interesting to film that as well. Check out all these cranes everywhere. So we're going to be coming into Amma Temple, which is where Macau began. And it's going to be to the right. I don't know how much you're going to be able to see it from this camera view, but to the left you can see like the inner harbor. It's ships that are going in and out of there all the time. And then Macau is a little bit of a challenge because you also have all these buses everywhere, like these. And you can still see all these cranes. Those are like freighter things up directly ahead. And now you're kind of getting into the Barra and Amma temples to the left, to the right, sorry. Okay, so yeah, this is just kind of a sample of driving in Macau. Maybe a little different than walking in Macau. And if you're interested, I'll definitely film more, because there's definitely some interesting streets for driving in Macau. Yeah, I've been watching a lot of other stuff about, you know, driving in American cities in particular, and it's quite interesting. Okay, here's Barra. So Barra, there's Amma Temple right over there, and then Barra's all the construction back there too. You can see some of the cranes. Well, that's a tree, but I think we're just going to go a little bit further, and then I'll probably end this video shortly. Just a little sample. Macau's a little bit unique from other cities because there's right-of-way for pedestrian traffic, and you also have a lot of motor scooters everywhere too. You can see some of those straight ahead. So it's a little bit of a challenge. And then also these lanes, like this particular lane, there's a bus. So now you're kind of navigating and trying to get into these other lanes, and there's scooters trying to go around you at the same time, and buses that are also trying to get back in their lanes. And then this bus up here kind of blocks that lane. So, so yeah, driving Macau is a unique challenge already. And what we're gonna do, oh, there's a red light right there. So I think we'll stop right there. So maybe it's kind of something interesting to see. Let me know if you're more interested to see more of walking Macau. Some of it's quite dense, and maybe we can see some pedestrian stuff and all kinds of interesting stuff, and I'll try to film it for the names of the roads as well. Okay, driving in Macau 2021. Could be a whole other thing to be filming in Macau. Chiquinha.